What are foreclosures? A foreclosures is pressured sale of domestic or property by way of an economic organization such as a financial institution or loan company. Unless you paid for your property in full at the time of purchase, most property proprietors use a third birthday celebration to grant the extra money to entire the sale. As a result, the proprietor is obligated to repay the monies borrowed. This is referred to as a mortgage. When a property proprietor fails to make repayments as phase of the mortgage settlement for their mortgage, the financial institution or different lien holder can also commence foreclosures lawsuits to take possession of the property to fulfill the debt owed to them. Many mortgages have an acceleration clause in the mortgage's promissory note. This characteristic can regularly set off untimely foreclosures action. The acceleration clause approves the financial institution or loan holder to declare the complete mortgage due if the property proprietor misses a distinct variety of loan payments. Usually, the property proprietor ought to be supplied with ample be aware earlier than the lending group can invoke the acceleration clause. The foreclosures manner is a lawsuit introduced with the aid of the financial institution or lender to pressure the sale of property to fulfill the great debt. In most instances, the courtroom will order a sale of the property after figuring out the genuine stability due on the personal loan. The proceeds of the sale of your property will then practice to the fantastic debt. If the fee of your property is much less than the superb debt, you can also nonetheless owe the lending organization for the remainder, relying on the phrases of the unique loan. As the owner, you have the proper to pay the financial institution off earlier than the foreclosure sale in order to hold your property. If you suppose you may additionally default on your personal loan and worry that you may additionally lose your property via foreclosure, a skilled legal professional may additionally assist you decide what different choices on hand to you, along with submitting for bankruptcy. A legal professional can additionally signify you in a foreclosures intending to make sure your pastimes and rights are protected. Do I need a foreclosure attorney? An actual property legal professional can assist you in many methods for the duration of the process. A lawyer will now not solely protect you in the foreclosures proceeding, however will additionally work with your lender to discern out picks which may additionally assist you stay in your home. You have to communicate with a lawyer related to your foreclosures scenario in order to decide your viable guides of action. Notice of default. After 90 days of non-payment by using the property owner, the foreclosures manner enters into the felony process. A financial institution will problem a word of default to a neighborhood sheriff to supply to the property owner. The note of default will be recorded by way of the authority's corporation and a date will be chosen for a foreclosures auction. A note of default additionally paves way for traders and different house owners to seek advice from a brief sale on the property. Foreclosure auction. A public foreclosures public sale will take area and the property can also be bought at the public sale to the perfect bidder. The lender issuing the default can additionally buy the property and promote it independently in a personal sale. At this time, the house owner need to vacate the property or an illegal detainer will be filed to evict the owner of a house if he or she is nonetheless dwelling on the property after the sale. Post-foreclosure, if proceeds of the sale are inadequate to fulfill the debt being foreclosed on, the lender can carry private motion on the homeowner borrower for the deficiency. In some states, the borrower may additionally have a proper to redeem after a foreclosures by paying the complete sale price. Right of redemption. Anytime prior to a foreclosure sale, the homeowner or mortgagor might also redeem the property by paying the quantity due. This is regarded as the proper of redemption. If the personal loan includes an acceleration clause, the full stability on the loan need to be paid in order for the property owner to redeem.